Rona, let's talk about understanding your employee benefits, and we'll start with life insurance. How much life insurance does a typical group benefit plan provide?
It ranges anywhere from a minimum benefit of $25,000 for the employee. Typically, we see one-time salary, sometimes more generous at 2 times salary, but one-time salary is a typical
Okay,
amount.
so you've got one-time salary. If you die, your spouse will get, or your survivors will get, 1 year's salary. Is that sufficient? Do you need to go outside and buy yourself some term life insurance in addition to that?
Well, it depends. Most people, yes, I would say definitely. If they have debts, that would need to be retired if they died. And if they have dependents, that would need a capital pool to survive on. If they're not there to have an income, then absolutely they'd need more.
All right, so it sounds like the start is to go to your HR department, ask what coverage you have, and then decide if that's enough. And it probably isn't enough, and then go out and discuss getting some more. Now, let's say you leave the company. Is there ever a circumstance where you can take your life insurance with you?
Most life insurance and group plans are portable. It does require that you give some medical evidence, and the ones that don't require medical evidence, to port them, they're very expensive. So generally what I recommend is before you leave your employer, see if you can replace the coverage yourself with an individual policy. That's usually less expensive than porting the insurance on the plan.
And one last point, if you have your own personal life insurance, that means you're always covered even when you leave a job where you're giving up some coverage.
It's best to be independent.
Great, thanks Rona.
You're welcome.